We assist customers in every life cycle stage of a plant. Frequently, a plant or system still has potential areas for optimizing operation and achieving higher levels of efficiency, so you should pay attention to this to ensure that it is operated as safely, reliably, and efficiently as possible. Rubber abrasion below the coupling is a sign of a potential misalignment. This in turn can damage the coupling or result in shaft fracturing. Have the alignment properly checked and the rubber elements of the coupling replaced to avoid further damage. KSB also offers commissioning, annual inspections, and maintenance to avoid misalignment and ensure safe and reliable operation. Commissioning a pump correctly is very important. All relevant information on this can be found in Chapter 6 of the operating manual. And another tip, to ensure safe and reliable operation, it is important to check the alignment once a year and while at it, replace the rubber elements of the coupling. Hydraulic plants are complex systems, which is why it makes sense to rely on professional assistance to optimize operation. Simply contact us. We would be glad to be of assistance to you.